Kilo Code Review. Is this AI agent worth it? So, Kilo Code is an AI-powered coding assistant designed to help developers write, debug, and optimize code faster. It positions itself as a next-generation AI agent for software development, going beyond simple code generation by integrating context awareness, debugging, and collaboration features. So the pros of Kilo Code is it has multi-language support. It works across multiple popular programming languages. It also has an AI debugging assistance, which can analyze errors, suggest fixes, and even explain why something isn't working. It also has code optimization, context awareness, productivity boosts, and collaboration features. The downside is, or the cons, is it is still in development, so some features may not be fully stable. It also has a steep learning curve for beginners. It also has a limited offline use, and they have a subscription cost. So overall, KiloCode is a promising AI coding agent with strong debugging, optimization, and multi-language support. So if you're looking for more than just a code generator and want to write an AI that can assist with project-wide context and debugging, it's worth considering.